I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's get started with today's Minden. Today we're making some veggie burgers, and I like to come up with recipes. Sometimes I'm walking through a grocery store and this happened to be that they were doing a taste test, and I thought, okay, what can I make with that? And this is so quick and so easy, whether you're doing it for yourself or your family. This comes with 4 in a package, and I already taste tested it with 2. And so if you go on my website, you'll see the nutritional information for 4. It'll be for the full box. But what I did was I took the creamy polenta, which you can find in the frozen freezer section. This is what I like to do. I like to, kind of like an artist can see how things will look on the canvas. This is my canvas, and I can kind of see 2 different things and say, okay, that's going to taste great together. And when I taste test them and they do, that's how I bring it to you. So what I'm going to do is I already sprayed the pan with a little bit of olive oil spray. I defrosted the polenta in the microwave, in a microwave safe dish. You just give it a quick stir, and then we're going to just put it all on the bottom of the pan. It's going to get a little crunchy on the bottom, and it's going to taste great. You're going to love it. And that's going to be your base. And then all you're going to do, and like I said, what I like to do is bring you recipes that have a few ingredients that are simple, easy to make, kind of giving you dinner ideas so that you can make dinner in a pinch. Then I'm going to take a couple of the veggie burgers, just put it right on top. They're already fully cooked. So all you're really doing is heating everything up. And the polenta is already warm because you just took it out of the microwave. And then we're going to put some cheese on top. You can use whatever you like. I like a little spice, so I'm using this pepper jack cheese. And it's not even a full slice. It's just half a slice per burger. So the calorie count is not high, and that's it. Warm it up, put your lid on, dinner in a few minutes. If you check us out on Instagram, which is Minden's, just like our YouTube page, which I hope you subscribe to, just hit the button below. You will see a finished picture of the product. Each week we cook, we place the shopping list on our website on Saturday, so you can purchase your ingredients, cook with me on Mondays, and like I said, it's just different ideas. If you scroll through my website, you'll see lots of different ideas for dinners that you can just put together real quick, real simple, and I hope that you join us each week on Minden's every Monday. See you soon.